guys, my name is Mike and welcome back to AXC Garage, a channel that's built for today's Acuras, Hondas, and all the classics. On the last episode, you saw us went ahead and give you guys a complete overview on this car. On today's episode, we'll be working on the suspensions. As you can see, the front suspension is much lower than the back, so what we're trying to do today is try to get the Tein coilovers adjusted so it'll be even front and back. So let's get it started by first lift the car up and get the wheels and tires off. Oh man, sometimes you don't know what you're working with until you start taking everything apart. And it is no difference here on our Civic Type R. So we got the wheels off and we're just about to do some adjustment on these Tein Super Street coilovers. And next thing you know, everything comes to a complete stop because this coilover is not designed for this EK9 Civic Type R. It is for a 1990 to 93 Integra. As you can see, the car is super low in the front, but you see the sleeve here, it has been adjusted all the way up, almost to the very top, meaning we can't get the car any higher. And guess what? It is no different on the back. The back, the coilover fit perfectly, no problem, but guess what? Remember the back was much higher than the front? And take a look at the sleeve here, it is adjusted all the way down. And guess what? And the car is still pretty high, meaning we cannot get the car any lower. So in the meantime, what we're gonna do is we'll go ahead and order a new set of suspension, but we don't want to waste any time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you guys our new wheels. Here it is, guys. The original wheels is right over there. What we have in front of you guys, it is a set of brand new Mugen MF-10 from King Motorsports. These are 2019 production wheels. They are 16 by 7.5 with a plus 43. I think this bronze color is going to go really well with a championship white. So what do you guys think so far? Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything on this entire build. this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching our channel. We hope to see you guys on the next one.